Morning students. Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and good. Okay, let's start our class for 4th class term 2 science. Okay, which class? 4th class term 2 science. In previous class we completed our third lesson, second lesson. Today we are going to start our new lesson, that is our fourth lesson. Okay, what is our lesson name? Fourth lesson name, weather. Okay, weather. What do you mean by weather? Weather means what? Mosam. Okay, weather will be changes. Mosam. Today we are discussing about weather. The condition of air in a particular place and a particular time is called weather. The weather of a place depends on the temperature of air, movement of air, and the amount of water vapor present in the air in that place. Based on this condition, the weather in a place can be hot, cold, windy, cloudy, rainy, dry, or humid. Okay, so how the weather will be changes, we don't know. It can be changes at a particular place because depending upon the air, depending upon the condition of air, the weather will be changing. So changing of an weather is not at a particular time at a particular place, that is called as an weather. So these weather changes depends on the temperature of air and movement of air and amount of water vapor that is present in the air. जैसे मौसम कैसे बदलता है, जैसे टेम्परेचर, एयर का टेम्परेचर कितना है और मूवमेंट ऑफ एयर कितना है और एयर के अंदर वाटर वेपर की क्वांटिटी कितनी है, सो उसके बेसिस पे वेदर चेंज होता. ओके, बेस्ड ऑन दिस कंडीशन द वेदर कैन बी हॉट, जैसे कभी कभी हॉट रहता, कभी कोल्ड, कभी विंडी, कभी क्लाउडी एंड रेनी और इन ह्यूमिड. सो द वेदर विल बी एन चेंजेस डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द मूवमेंट, टेम्परेचर एंड वाटर वेपर, द अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर वेपर दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन द एयर. So that is called as an changes of weather. Now effects of the sun on weather. So what are the effects that occurs on the weather? Next, the sun causes changes in the weather through formation of day and night, formation of seasons, formation of wind, and changes in the state of water. So effects of the sun on weather, what happened means it causes and the changes in the weather. So what it forms, if the changes in the weather occur, these qualities will be occur. Formation of day and night will be there, formation of seasons, formation of wind, and changes in the state weather. Now we are discussing about formation of weather, day and night. We know that the earth spins on its axis. This movement is called as a rotation. This rotation causes the formation of day and night. The part of the earth that faces the sun has a day and the part of that is away from the sun has night. So we know that earth will be spin on its own axis. So that the earth is spins, मतलब अर्थ क्या है, अपने खुद पर राउंड फिरते रहता. सो दैट वी नो दैट अर्थ स्पिन्स ऑन इट्स ओन एक्सिस. नो, सो दैट मूवमेंट ऑफ एन अर्थ इज कॉल्ड हैज एन रोटेशन. अर्थ इज मूविंग फ्रॉम राउंड, earth is moving on its own axis, so that movement is called as an rotation. So this rotation causes a formation of a day and night. So when the earth is rotating around the world, so what happened, day and night will be formed on that rotation. The part, if the earth is the part of the earth that faces the sun has a day, so the half of the part of the earth which is facing towards the sun, that part will be has a night. And remaining, when the sun is overhead at noon, and the sun rays on the earth directly, thus it heats up the earth and makes us feel hot. In the morning and evening the sun rays are slanting, hence we do not feel so hot. So how we are declaring has a day and night means when the earth, half of the earth part turns towards the sun, it has a night, and remaining half of the part which is turned to the back side, that is called as a night. So we are know about the half day and night. So how the sun rays are falling and how the day and night is occurring. So if the how we are discussing, it is in morning, evening, and in afternoon means in the afternoon what happened, the sun is at the mid of the overhead. So sun rays क्या है, बहुत रहता है afternoon के time में, the sun rays are falling directly to the earth. Okay, in the evening there will be a slanting rays रहते, तो थोड़ी हल्की धूप रहती, morning भी हल्की धूप रहती. So we cannot feel so hot in the morning and evening. In the afternoon time we can feel. Okay, I hope you all understood the class, and remaining topic we will continue in the next lesson. And your homework is this: rotation of the earth causes day and night. See this, you have to draw the globe and write day and night and send the homework neatly. I hope you all understood the class. Thank you.